Mastering Billiards Terminology. Understanding break shot. Hello, English enthusiasts and aspiring billiards players. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that bridges language learning with the exciting world of sports. Break shot. Whether you're here to polish your English skills or to get a grip on billiards lingo, you're in the right place. So, chalk up your cues as we get ready to break into this phrase. Break shot is a term you'll often hear in the context of cue sports, like pool, snooker, or billiards. It refers to the very first shot that is played to scatter the balls that have been arranged in a specific pattern. But this phrase isn't just about hitting the balls hard. It's a strategic move that can set the tone for the entire game. When someone talks about a good break, they're not just talking about power. They're referring to the skill and technique involved in effectively dispersing the balls and, if possible, sinking one or more of them in the process. In competitive play, a strong break can be the difference between winning and losing. Interestingly, the phrase, break shot, has transcended the green baize and found its way into everyday English. It's sometimes used metaphorically to describe an action or event that starts something off, often with a bang. For example, launching a new product could be the break shot for a company's success. For our language learners, pronouncing break shot is straightforward, as it is composed of two common English words. However, don't let the simplicity fool you. Practice the clear pronunciation of both words, paying particular attention to the crisp K sound in break and the rounded O in shot. I hope this video has helped you grasp the meaning and use of break shot, both inside and outside the world of cue sports. Whether you're using it at the pool table or in a business meeting, you'll sound like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next English language adventure. Keep practicing.